Hi, welcome to Snappy Blink. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the Moody preset in Lightroom Mobile. Here are some example photos before and after using this preset. Let's get started. First, go to Light and adjust the exposure to 0.8. Adjust the contrast to 19. Highlights to -41. Adjust shadows to 80. Whites to -51 and blacks to -10. Then slightly adjust the curves like this. Now go to color. Okay, now adjust the temperature to 10. Vibrance -11. Finally, saturation to -19. Then let's adjust the colors. Orange, increase the saturation by 20. Increase the luminance to 26. Yellow, decrease the hue by -50. Decrease the saturation to -20. Decrease the luminance to -20. Green, decrease the hue by -50. Decrease the saturation to -20. Decrease the luminance to -20. Cyan, decrease the saturation by -40. Decrease the luminance to -20. Blue, decrease the saturation by -40. Decrease the luminance to -20. Go to color grading. Adjust the shadows by making hue 19, saturation 9. Then adjust the highlights by making hue 26, saturation 11. Go to Effects. Clarity 16. Divas 19. Vignette -20. Midpoint 30. Feather 100. Roundness 100. Now let's adjust the details. Noise reduction 20. Okay, done. Now you can clearly see the difference of before and after of this photo. Now let's copy these settings and try out on more photos.